So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm right here in Abba. I want to show you how Abba looks like in the night. I'm in Okeze Ipazo flyover. So I'm going to show you how Abba looks like. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can look over there. You can see how Abba is at night. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm in Abia right now, and I want to show you how Abia looks like at night. So first of all, I'm going to tell you a brief history about Abia. Abia is a city in the southeast of Nigeria and the commercial center of Abia State. Upon the creation of Abia State in 1991, Abia was divided into two local government areas, Abia South and Abia North. Abia City, Abia State, southern Nigeria. It lies along the west bank of the Abia River at the intersection of roads from Port Harcourt, Owerri, Umuahia, Ikotebene and Ikota-Abase. Abia is well known for its craftsmen and also one of the most populous cities in the southeastern Nigeria. Abia is a major urban settlement and commercial center in a region that is surrounded by small villages and towns. Abia is a place where a lot of business people, businessmen and women, they all do business in Abia. As you can see in this video, people are not sleeping even by this time. A whole lot of people are moving around, conducting their daily, day-to-day business. Shops are open, trucks are moving. You can see the tricycle drivers are also moving. Then you can look down this Osisioma flyover. You can see as if it's daytime. People are still doing business. People are trading. You understand? So business is going on even by this time of the night in Abia. Abia people are business people. In Abia, you can see things like people making shoes, Abia made shoes, Abia made bags and other things. Abia is the China of Africa. There's nothing you will look for in this country that you cannot see in Abia. Abia has one of the biggest markets, which is called one of the biggest markets in Africa, which is called Ariaria International Market. Other big markets are also in Abia, like Ahiohono, many other markets that I can't even remember their names right now. But Abia has many big markets that you can go buy things. People come from different parts of this country and even outside this country to buy goods or to trade goods in Abia. Abia is blessed. So guys, in this video you see how Abia is lit up. Lights everywhere. This shocked me. I was surprised to see Abia to be this beautiful at night. Abia is a very big city. The road network is very fine, very okay. Now I went down for you to see this Okeze Ipazo Osisioma flyover, because before I was up, so now I'm down for you to see how it is from the downside. You can see how the street lights are well arranged to light up this whole place. So as you can see, people are still walking around by this time of the night. You understand? Abia is a city that does not sleep. Abia has a huge textile industry. Abia has a whole lot of industries, even where they produce glasses, and all that. Abia is known for production. Abia produces a whole lot of things. Abia, a city in Abia State, Nigeria, is known for its bustling markets that attract traders and buyers from various parts of Nigeria and beyond. There are several major markets in Abia, open markets. And each of these markets has its focus and specialty. In fact, you are a wholesaler or you are about to have an occasion and you want to source materials at a ridiculous cheap price, you need to make out time to visit each market for each item you want. So you can see in this video, people are even on the flyover dancing. Abia is a lively city, very lively. So let me mention some major markets in Abia. I'm going to mention one is, which I've mentioned before, is Ariaria International Market. Then we have the Eyimba Market. Then we have the Ezioku Market. We have the Uchendo Market. We have Nwata market, and many other markets in Aba. So the other markets I didn't mention are cemetery markets, Ahiohonu, Ehere market, shopping center, Mug market, power line, and many others. Aba is always busy. People are always moving around. There's no dull moment in Aba. There's no dull moment from Nkwa Road to Emelogu to Owerri Road to Waterline. These places are always busy. There's no time you pass through these places and it will be dull. Aba is not a dull city. Aba is a bustling city, and the nightlife is wonderful. I didn't expect to see this type of nightlife here in Aba. Aba has a nightlife. Maybe these businessmen and women, when they are done hustling in the market, maybe in the night, they come and chill. So we are currently in Emelogu Junction. This road and the street lights you are seeing here, it was being put by the new government, the government of Dr. Alex Chioma Oti. He did this Emelogu road and the street lights you are also seeing here. So I'm going to take you down Emelogu road so you can see how Emelogu road is. So this Emelogu is very popular. It was trending on social media because of the Emelogu roundabout, where there is a fountain. This fountain is colorful and beautiful. So when I saw it on social media, I said I'm going to be here. But passing this road, I was told that they were doing test run. Then that was why we saw it on the internet. So the fountain wasn't functioning when we passed through this road. But it's done. It's ready, and it's going to beautify this road. This road is going to be so beautiful with the fountain. It's going to be so beautiful with the fountain. So you can see how beautiful this Emelogu road is now, with the street lights everywhere. You can drive at night and it will be lively for you. You don't have to be scared. You'll be seeing very well. So you see how nice this road is. So right there, the roundabout you are seeing here is where the fountain is. This is where the fountain is going to be. That's where it is already. So off this Emelogu road is going to lead you to Ngba Road, but we didn't take that route. You see how beautiful this place is. Man, Aba is truly a city, and I'm so proud of what the government is doing in Aba. If you are a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you to you. A very big thank you to you. And if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and following me all through the beginning until the end of this beautiful video. So this road is the road leading to Abia State Polytechnic. So that's the gate over there, and this is the fence. Yeah, so this is Abia State Polytechnic road, this area. You will notice in this video a whole lot of trucks, heavy load trucks that are carrying containers. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'afịa. So Igbos are hustlers. Igbos always, bringing containers of goods they imported and all that. So you can see I heard they now move at night and no longer in the daytime. Aba people are hustlers. So Aba people are hustlers. They hustle every day and night. Aba people, they hustle. In fact, not just Aba, Abia people, because in this Aba, you find a whole lot of Abia people doing business here.